Motion sickness happens when the brain receives conflicting signals from the eyes, the inner ear, which controls balance, and the body's sense of position. This sensory mismatch can trigger the release of a chemical called substance P, which activates NK1, that is neurokinin 1 receptors in the brain. Together, these signals can cause nausea and vomiting, leading to motion sickness, such as during car rides, boat trips, or flights. The FDA approves new pill to help with motion sickness that is Nereus. What is Nereus and why does it matter? Nereus, that is tradipitant, is a new prescription medicine approved by the FDA to help prevent nausea and vomiting caused by motion, that is motion sickness in adults. Nereus is an oral NK1 receptor antagonist that works by selectively blocking this nausea-triggering pathway at its source, without interfering or impairing other receptors in the brain. If you have liked this video and not yet subscribed, subscribe it for more such interesting videos. And don't forget to like, share, comment. CST, that is cavernous sinus thrombosis. Cavernous sinus thrombosis is a devastating condition, with mortality rates of up to 30% even with treatment. Of survivors, the majority will have permanent sequelae. In the pre-antibiotic era, mortality was virtually 100%. When it occurs, it is most commonly the result of infection of the central third of the face, the paranasal sinuses. Rarely, cavernous sinus thrombosis may result from non-infective causes. The best imaging modality is MRI. If MRI is unavailable in an urgent timeframe, CT venography may be used. Let's look at the etiology. Most cases of cavernous sinus thrombosis are septic in origin and arise from acute infections in otherwise healthy individuals. Cavernous sinus thrombosis, often secondary to infection from orbital cellulitis, a cutaneous